Hello, welcome to Sew Let's Sew with Wendy. If you like what you see, give me a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel, it's all free. Today I thought I'd show you how to use the automatic needle threader on the Singer Modern Quilter. Let me just unthread it. Right, basically there's just a channel along here, drop your thread in, there's a little hook there, hook your thread through, two little hooks here. Don't know if you can see that. Pop your thread underneath and then wrap it round on the side there. Let me just trim this thread because it's a little bit too long. Little button here. I'll try and do it so that you could see what's happening down here. As you push the button down, the two hooks push it through the needle. There's a little loop at the back which you just grab hold of, loosen this off and pull it through. Such an easy, wonderful invention. I would never be without it. The bobbin on this machine as well is also really simple. On most machines you have to drop the bobbin in, put the needle through, catch the thread and pull it up. Not with this one. All you do is just drop it in, bring the thread around. There's a little notch just here. Just catch it. There's a groove here. Drop the thread into the groove. Replace the cover. And away you go. Thank you for watching. See you soon.